So today I'm going to start with the topic circle. This is chapter 10 on NCERT. Switch on the cameras, everyone. Those who are present in the class. Otherwise, I have to remove them if they will not switch on the cameras. See, first, all of you know that what is a circle. So circle is a point which has a fixed radius, and from this radius, every point which is on the circumference has a fixed distance. So suppose there is one point A on the circumference, another point B, another point C, another point D. Every point on this circle, the distance of O to B, O to C, O to D, this distance is fixed everywhere. So this is called circle. Now, in this circle, some points just I want to discuss with you. If this is my circle and this is the radius of the circle, any point which joins the 2 points on the circumference and stops there, a line which joins the 2 points on the circumference. One point A is on the circumference, B is on the circumference. A and B are 2 points on the circumference of circle. Then AB is called chord of a circle. So this AB is called chord. Now, if there is a line which cross the circle, let this point be C, let this point be D. So this is chord of the circle. This is the first point which I want to discuss. The second point. So line CD which crosses the circle, line CD which crosses the circle is called secant. Third, any line which join the any 2 points on the circumference and passes through the center, let the line be E and F, is called the diameter of the circle, and this is called the longest chord of the circle. This is called the longest chord of the circle. So EF is the longest chord. EF is the longest chord of the circle. EF is the longest chord of the circle because it passes through the center of the circle. Fourth, now any line which touches the circle, which just touches the circle, any line which just touches the circle, let it be EF, let it be G and H, is called a tangent to the circle, which we are going to explore. Tangent to the circle. So any line which touches the circle and passes is called tangent to the circle. पहली बात. So the point at which it touches, this is called point of contact. Let I be the point. This is called point of contact. The point at which tangent touches the circle is called point of contact. I is the point of contact. So any doubt up to this to any student, you are free to ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji,
So what you have written, the circle is called point
which
of.
point? Which point? Which point?
So point number 4th.
Any line which
Fifth,
touches the
fifth.
circle. Fifth, the point at which tangent touches the circle is called point of contact. Point of contact. CONTACT. Point of contact. I is the point of contact. This is I. This is point of contact. So this terminology I will use again and again when I'll solve the questions on circles. I hope everyone has written. I think
Yes,
Pawan
sir.
is writing, Pawanveer is writing.
No, sir,
Noting,
I
sir.
written.
Okay, you have written. Great, great. Chalo. So I hope this is clear because this terminology we will use again and again while solving the questions. Now I'm going to the result, first result of this exercise, that is theorem 10.1. Although the proof is not the part, but try to understand the things because uh, this the reference of this result we will give in the while solving the questions. Fine. So theorem 10.1. First, let me draw the figure and statement. I'll read the statement, I'll draw the figure. The tangent at any point on the circle. अब देखिए, this is a circle with me. I have taken any point on the circle because he is saying tangent at any point. I have a circle with center O and I have drawn a tangent at the point T on the circle. This is a point T which is on the circumference of the circle and AB is the tangent. Okay. Is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now what he want to say, if I'll join the center of the circle with this point of contact, what it will become? This will be the radius. Because O is the center of the circle and T is any point on the circumference. So OT is a radius. AB is a tangent. And T is point of contact. Now, what you have to remember, the angle which the radius and the tangent will make at the point of contact will always be 90 degree. तो मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ रिजल्ट यहाँ पे, the angle which the radius and tangent at the point of contact, the angle which the radius and the tangent makes at the point of contact will always be of 90 degree. So which implies angle ATO, which is equal to 90. Now come to questions of exercise 10.1. इसको note करो. Question number 1. How many tangents can a circle have? अब देखिए, ये मेरा एक सर्कल है, ये देखिए, ये एक सर्कल. This is a circle whose center is O. So I can take n number of points here. I can take A, I can take B, I can take C, I can take D, I can take E, I can take F. So that means that there are infinite points on the circle, and when I'll draw a line which touches this circle and go, there will be infinite lines like this, like this. Clear? So reason kya hai? Because there are n number of points on the circle, which implies there can be n number of tangents that can be drawn by touching these n number of points. I hope this is clear with you people. If you have any doubt or confusion, please let me know. आराम से नोट करिए. Don't note in hurry. I hope everything is fine. Can I go
Yes,
to the
sir.
next one? Okay, clear. I'm going to clear the screen. I hope. Pawan, have you noted or still noting?
Please, sir, I got disconnected.
Okay, you got disconnected. No issue. You can take a minute.
Done, sir.
Okay. So come to the next question of exercise 10.1. Question number 2. These are the blanks. We'll take the previous knowledge which we have just discussed. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points. Now see, this is a circle with me. I have taken a single point here, let the point be T. So what is tangent? Tangent is a line which touches this point. Touches means एक बार ही touch करेगा. Clear? तो एक बार ही इसको touch की है. That is the reason it is called point of contact. So what is the answer? The answer to this blank is a tangent to a circle intersect it in a single point. So what is the answer? A part. This is single point. Because otherwise क्या था? If this tangent touches the circle twice, then there should be 2 point of contact. But मैंने तो ऐसा आपको बताया नहीं. मैंने तो आपको यही बताया कि एक ही point of contact होगा. If there is a only single point of contact, so that means the tangent will touches the circle at only one point.
ABGBT.
Now, be part of this. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called intersecting. काट रही है. Joining नहीं लिखा, उसने बोला intersecting. See, there is a difference between joining and intersecting. Intersecting means वो इसको काट के पास कर गई. This is intersecting and this is joining. Clear? So AB, this is intersecting. Intersecting means AB. And C and D, this is joining. C. So the answer of this is secant. Because it touches the circle at 2 points and crosses it. The meaning of intersect means ये निकल गया आगे. Now, C part. Change the ink. Up in the part C, what he's saying, a circle can have dash parallel tangent at the most. अब देखिए, I have drawn a tangent at the point P. I have drawn a tangent at the point Q. He is saying these two tangents are parallel. If these two tangents are parallel and this is a center, the sum of the co-interior angle must be 180. So that means that there will be only two lines which passes through two different points and have a sum of 180 degree. So at the most, it has two tangents which are parallel to each other. At the most, it has two tangents which are parallel to each other. Why? Because let it be AP, let it be CD, because angle OP PA plus angle OQC has to be 180 degree. Sum of two co-interior angles. Because it is given that the tangents are parallel. B point. A common point between the tangent and the circle, I have already explained you point of contact. This is a common point between circle. This is my circle. This is my tangent. This is, let the point be A. This is a common point. Which is called point of contact. So the common point between the circle and the tangent is called point of contact. इसको note कर लीजिए. With confusion, you can discuss. I hope everyone has noted. Can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Actually, question number 3. A tangent PQ at the point P of a circle a tangent PQ at the point P of a circle. So let this point be P. Let it be R. Of radius 5 centimeter meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12. I'm reading it again. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So radius is given. This is the point O. Meet a line through the center O at the point Q in the, he has terminology is not clear. A tangent PQ at the point P of a circle of radius, fine. Tangent PQ at the point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter meets a line through the center O at the point Q. Okay. So that OQ is equal to 12. Fine. Find the length. Okay. I want to find out the length of this. I'm going to suppose it as a X. OQ is equal to 12 centimeter. OP is equal to 5 centimeter. I have to find out PQ. Let PQ is equal to X centimeter. अब जरा देखिए, because P is a point of contact, at point of contact, radius always makes an angle 90 degree. So because P is the point of contact, which implies angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle OPQ, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So this is 14425. So you can subtract 119. Because length will always be positive, so it is 190. So which implies PQ is equal to 190. So I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear. So last question quickly, because I have 2-3 minutes. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to the given line such that one is tangent and second is secant. Clear. So first I have drawn a circle of any radius, maybe 3 centimeter or 2 centimeter. This is a center. So take any point, let the point be P. Draw a tangent which touches just the point P and passes through the circle. So this is called letter AB. This is called tangent. I want to draw a secant which should be parallel. Clear. So this angle is 90 because angle at the point of contact will always be 90. So you just draw an angle of 90 degree at this point by using any point on this line as a center. So a line which passes through this point, let the point be CD. This is secant. This is secant. So these two will be parallel to each other because this point is a 90 degree. Here you will make an angle of 90 degree like this with the help of a compass. So these will be parallel to each other. So that's all for today. So tomorrow I will discuss with the next concept and we'll try to finish the next exercise. Fine. Thank you very much for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.